Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on the third lecture of land reclamation course. Previously, I explained that we have different type of soils. The first is sandy soil, calcareous soil, clay soil, and organic soil. We will together explain each type of soil, its problems, and how can we cultivate it. Each type of soil has properties, physical and chemical properties, and also has some problem on cultivation and planting. So I will explain the type of soil, how you can distinguish each type of soil, and how can you cultivate it. I would like to give you another definition of land reclamation. I mentioned before that there is a different definition, but all focus on converting the soil to the plant productivity. Land reclamation here is defined as making land capable of more intensive use by changing its general character, as by drainage of excessively wet land, irrigation of arid and semi-arid land, or recovery of submerged land from the sea, lakes, and rivers. So you are just converting the soil from unsuitable for planting to be suitable for plant germination and plant productivity. The reclamation also reveal that creating new land from sea or river beds, or restoring an area of more natural state, such as after pollution. You have to treat the soil if there is a soil contaminated by pesticides or heavy metals, whatever. You should remediate this soil and to be suitable for plant productivity. Then it is means that you are make land reclamation. This deforestation, after deforestation and salinization, you have to, deforestation, you have to plant, because after deforestation the erosion carried out, and you should protect the soil and let it to be suitable for plant productivity. Salination, the saline soil, salinity should be removed from the soil to be cultivated. Usually we remove salinity by addition of fresh water to remove salinity away from the soil profile. You can define now land reclamation also by repairing damaged land, such as those by natural causes like desertification and those caused by human activity like strip mining. Let us go through our lecture today. As I told you, our lecture focus on sandy soil, its problem and method of cultivation. The sandy soil looks like this photo, and as you see here is natural cover natural plant. You can the sandy soil here can be used for grazing. And if you found a tree like this means that there is underground water, and maybe you can dig. If you dig well, you may find groundwater. It looks like an oasis. Vegetation covers here is less than previous photo, but it's a sandy soil. Sandy soil is a coarse soil. It has a coarse texture, uh, and it's the particle diameter is between 2 to 0.02 millimeter. If you look here, soil profile in sandy soil, it's not easy to distinguish a horizon on sandy soil. Here is a sandy dune. As I told you, it's easy. It's we can cultivate sandy dune, although it's difficult, but it can be carried out. Look here, this sand you can use this sand only to fix a plant, but you have to add all nutrient in irrigation water, and you have how we can cultivate sandy dune like here. Look here. First, to cultivate a sandy dune, avoid or on sandy soil in general, avoid use surface irrigation. You have to use either drip or sprinkler irrigation according to the crop you are going to plant. And also here, this company first dig a hole and put a mixture of conditioners and organic matter, clay and others on this hole to hold water and micronutrient, because as you know that the the soil cannot be able to hold water or nutrient because it has a low CEC and low ACC mean have low negative charge and cannot be absorb water or nutrient. So you dig hole in a dropper here and put on hole clay and organic matter and conditioner. Conditioner is a substance can hold water, and then both the tree above and can use the fertigation on irrigation. What we meant by fertigation that you have it means that you have you bought fertilizers with irrigation water. Look here, it's another photo for planting sandy dune using drip irrigation. Another photo here. As you see here, due to the good management of irrigation and filterization on the company adapted, the plant grow in a healthy condition with grow very well. Here is after I think 3 years of planting and good management, irrigation and filterization, the plant can be productive on sandy soil. Definition of sandy soil. Sandy soil are soils in which a coarse texture, as I told you, between 2 to 0.02 millimeter diameter. The problem related to agricultural land use, sandy soil are weakly developed with only weak profile horizon formation because of slow chemical weathering in these normally dry and hot soil. The A horizon is only weakly developed and can hardly to be seen in desert sandy soil, as I told you. Due to absence of vegetation cover or low vegetation cover, the organic matter content on sandy soil is very low. Consequently, all nutrient, macro and micronutrient is low on sandy soil. Global extent and location: sandy soil cover around 900 million hectare, mainly in dry season, but you can find it on pre-humid tropics like South America and part of South Asia. So, but you can find in Sahara, Southern Sahara, in Southwest Africa, in Western Australia. So the sandy soil is you can find sandy soil around all globe. I mean that the sandy soil is spread around the world. The main problem, the main production constraint on sandy soil, and the main problem of sandy soil is the coarse texture of sandy soil. The coarse texture led to a low water holding capacity of this type of soil and high infiltration rate. Infiltration rate means that the water percolate into away from the soil profile. So the water, due to the texture is coarse, the the soil can't absorb water and hold water, which can be absorbed later by plant. Furthermore, nutrient content and nutrient retention on this type of soil are normally very low. In addition, nutrients are easily leached out from the soil. The other main problem of sandy soil that is the poor soil structure makes the soil very susceptible to wind erosion. However, sandy soil can be very productive, as I show you, when appropriate management is conducted, and where also found fresh water available on sandy soil. Improving sandy soil. A very sandy soil The sandy soil is poor in nutrient. Consequently, plant can grow and complete its life cycle unless organic matter and some nutrient add to the soil. To increase the organic matter on sandy soil, you can add organic matter, plant and animal residues to our compost and so on to sandy soil each year, because the residues on the arid environment is degraded with time. So you have to periodically add organic matter. You can also add organic matter as by another way. This is by planting leguminous crops and